Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Zabrowski and I am the founder of the Beyond Your Dream team, and we are all about changing people's lives, and that all started with my life changing through this online business. Then I've helped other people change their lives, and that is what we do. We believe in it and we do it. We don't just believe in it, we don't just talk about it, but we do it. And so this is the place to be if you're one of those people who is like me. For many years I was looking everywhere to make a living online. I'd search far and wide, come up empty-handed. In fact, I'd come up less than empty-handed. I'd come up with less money in my pocket as I went from scam to scam to scam. And, you know, this truth just runs true throughout. Day after day. I get emails every day. I got one today about some guy. He was telling me, I've been trying to find a way, and there's so many scams, and all they do is take your money, and it's because it's the truth. And so, if you want to be successful, oftentimes the easiest way to do that is to simply take care of a need. Now, this is a need that I had for years. I mean, I fought with trying to make a living online. I couldn't make a dime if my life depended on it. And so all I've done is I've come here into this online world, and by the grace of God, He first gave me a business that worked. It was free and it worked, and I offer that same business to you. But I just took care of a need, a place that would take care of the people who are just like me, and there's millions of them. And on our team, the Beyond Your Dream team, we're filled with people who have the same plight that you have. I can't find anywhere to make a living online. There's so many scams. Well, we take care of that need by, number one, giving you a free business to get started in, and then number two, giving you free resource centers, giving you free training, marketing training, giving you free webinars, giving you free mentorship, giving you free lead generation packages. I mean, my friends, it's unbelievable. If you want an online career, you are in the right place. If you are wise, you will stop right here, get plugged in, and take flight. Okay? I've changed my life in the last year, made a really strong income over the last year, had my best month last month, over $16,000. I have people on my team who make over $10,000 a month. So this is the place to be. And I just wanted, we're talking about Empower Network today, and we have a new platform here, so I just want to go through it real quick. And this is one of the things you want to do when you start your own team, is you want to give your team value on a daily basis. So, I get questions here and there about Empower Network's new platform. So I just thought I'd do a general video on how the whole interface works. So if you were to log into Empower Network, you would come to this page here, and you can see this is my back office, Joseph Zabrowski. And if I just click over here, and if I want to do a blog, I mean, immediately I could create a blog post right when I log in. Typically, you'll go to the text symbol here. You have a audio symbol, and you have an image symbol, and a video symbol. Just for default purposes, I go to the text symbol, put in my title, put in my blog. I can put in a video here if I want. All I got to do is put my cursor in the box, click on media, that's the media button, and it'll ask for your embed code. You would click on a video, put in the embed code from YouTube or wherever you're getting your video. The same thing with the audio. If you want to put a piece of audio in here, put your embed code in here. That's not just your URL link, it's your embed code. If you want to put an image in here, just put your image embed code as well, and then just click Add Media. And that piece of media will come right up. Like right in this blog that I just did, that's an audio that I just embedded through the embed code. That's strictly audio. And this post right here, I put a YouTube video embed code in there, and it came right up, pronto. And then you just type in your titles, and put your links in there, and you hit publish, and you hit publish, and it'll ask you a bunch of questions. So for example, if this video or this audio piece that I did right here was of a webinar we did last night, I would just click on edit if I want to re-edit it, and it gives you all the different items that you can mess with here. Typically, you always want to choose public blog because you want your blog to go public, and then I click on everything else, all team members, viral blogging system, inner circle, and all the other packages. You always put in this slot right here, Empower Network blog. That's critical because you want this to show up on your Empower Network blog. Down here you put your categories. These are the various categories I've chosen: affiliate programs, Empower Network, home business, Instant Payday Network, etc. Then down here you put in your meta title tag, and I put Instant Payday Network and Empower Network. Meta keyword tags, Instant Payday Network and Empower Network. Meta description, I got my keywords in there: Instant Payday Network and Empower Network, Wisdom Webinars, Wisdom in Business, and I hit update. It just updates it. So I already updated that, and so that's basically how the blogging platform works. Just a, a generic look at it. Over here on the left-hand side, as you can see, I've been a good boy. I've purchased all my products: Viral Blogging System, Inner Circle, Costa Rica Intensive, 15K Formula, Master's Course, a Viral Blogging Academy, and I have the affiliate training event. Well, those are additional buttons for, like, they have an event every 3 months. Event recordings are here, and they even have the most recent audio from the most recent webinar down here. It's quite good. It's this is a social network blogging platform. Okay, so now to get into some of the other items, as you put your cursor over your name here, the menu comes down, and I always create my blog in the View My Activity feed. Now, if you want to actually view these blog posts, like these blog posts of mine, before I go there, though, you can always hit this button. You can sort, if you want to sort your blog posts by latest content, you can do so. All the liked posts, you can sort them by like posts, by most controversial, or view. If you just want to view your post, you can just click on this button. Only your post will come up. As you can see here, I've got various people's posts who are on my team. You can just go on and on and on and on and on, and it's filled with posts from people on my team. So that's the way it is on the first page after you log in. All right, so now if I go over to view and edit my blog, I can actually see my blog. You see, in Empower Network, you're given a blog, and then in that blog you have all of your blog posts. So the blog posts some of the blog posts that I just showed you is on my Empower Network blog right here. Okay. Now, what we want to do in Empower Network is it's good to go to get a domain to mask this particular Empower Network domain. Like, I went and got a domain called makingmoneyonlineclickhere.com, and that was relative to my keyword for my entire blog. So Empower Network allows you to put in your meta tags and your keywords for your blog. You hit this button right here, and you can put in your SEO options. And Make Money Blogging is my keyword for my blog, so I got those words for my domain name, and I've secured it. That's my keywords for my blog, Make Money Blogging. And so I have a domain that has in it Make Money Blogging, click here. That's the name of my domain, and I've masked my blog. So actually, I haven't masked my blog, as I can see right here. I need to go in and do that. But if somebody types in Make Money Blogging, clickhere.com, and they'll go to my blog at Empower Network. All right, and you can put in the same thing: meta description tag, meta keyword tags. As you can see here, Empower Network blog, Make Money Blogging, how to blog. And if you wanted to use Google Analytics, you could utilize that as well. But you have various items here. The navigation bar allows you to put an additional item in your navigation bar. You can see here, link 1, I put a free way to get started, and I lead people to my free business right here. And I just hit Save Changes. But let me show you this right here. Okay, so what that allows me to do is it allows me to add a category, and there it is, a free way to get started, and that leads them to my capture page. So as I continue back here, footer data, I didn't do anything with that. It's not important. Page customization, I really haven't done much with that either. Custom domain, I haven't done. What did I do with that? Enter domain name. Set up your domain name. I already set up my domain name. So I have to look into that one. I might have to put that domain name that I just told you, Making Money Blogging, clickhere.com. That might be where I would want to enter that. I have to look into that. But as I said, this is just a generic look at everything. So that's the blogging platform. And then as you continue right here, you move on down. This is probably the most important button. Of Of course, you can view and edit your profile. I'm not going to go through that. That's pretty simple. You know, that's generic stuff totally. But my business, and what you want to do here for your affiliate, your Empower Network username, you have here password information, contact information, email subscriptions. If you want to click on this, all the email subscriptions that you want to get for all these different programs that hopefully you are in, because they will all make you money, you want to check those. So in other words, whenever you get a basic membership cell, because it's checked, they'll send you an email. Or if you get an inner circle cell, they'll send you an email because you have this checked. If you don't have it checked, they will not send you an email. All right, so it's important to get into these programs, my friends. I just did another video on this because I got all in with the 15K formula when I first started and the master's course. Over the last about 7 to 8 months, I've made over $52,000 in both those programs, and those are the higher paying programs, and it pays to pay the money to get in because you'll make big money and you'll make a good living. So I highly recommend it. As you can continue over here on the left, okay, this is my account. Affiliate status. This just gives you your affiliate status there. Commissions. I used to use Authorize.net. Now I have to use eWallet. So this is since I've been in eWallet for the last couple of months or so, these are my earnings here. And the leaderboard, they don't have information on that yet. Email my team. You can send an email to your team and you just choose the team members you want to send it to. You can send it to a certain membership, the basic memberships, the Inner Circle, Costa Rica, or you can send it to all, and just put in your subject message. So it's kind of convenient. Just hit send mail and you can send an email to your entire team. I think it's one per day per team. And member API, you can use this if you're using Prosperity Team. They're going to ask you for your member API. My campaigns, I don't have any campaigns presently. This is a really important button, My Team. This gives you your viral blogging system. As you can see here, for each program that you have, the basic membership is the viral blogging system. You can look at active members. You can look at your direct downline, which is my direct downline right here. Okay, and then you can change it right here to all of your pass-up sales and hit View Program, and it'll show you all the sales that went up to your sponsor. And then you can look at your power line sales, View Program, and look at all of your power line sales as well. And then you can do that for each program, as you can see here: Inner Circle, Costa Rica, 15K, Master's Course, etc. You can look at active members and unpaid members as well. Very helpful. Now this page is a page that I have found most people are not aware of. All of your leads, capture page URLs are right here. You got a choice of about 10 of them or so. You can use any of these, and they're all different capture pages to advertise your business. Now one of the things that I find that people oftentimes are not aware of is you can view your leads right here. Okay, just click on this View Your Leads button, and your leads should come up. Mine usually do. I don't know what's going on, but wait a second. My leads always come up. I don't know. Sometimes it's the browser you use. I'm using Firefox. Let's see here. I don't know. Maybe something's going wrong in the back office right now. But back to lead capture. Okay, let me try that again. It's kind of weird. Usually I have a whole list of leads, and I don't know why it's not working today. It might be some problem that they're having. Let's see here. All right, and then the other thing is, this is where you can connect your Aweber. If you have Aweber or GetResponse, you can connect your autoresponder to your Empower Network back office just by putting in your Aweber list name, for example. This is my Aweber list name, and I just hit Submit Change. And what this does is it connects your whatever leads come into your Empower Network back office. They'll be immediately transferred to your Aweber list, and you'll have them there, and so you can send emails to them or broadcast to them on a regular basis. So that's basically it. I just wanted to give you an overview, and this is the way to go, my friends. It's been a phenomenal ride, and I believe that it's going to continue. I believe that